Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is iconic logo design. So let's start and make an iconic logo. First of all, I will change here some color. Then I will go for the main design. So I will change this color as yellow. I will take it yellow. Then I will make it. I will take it here deeper gray. So take it deeper gray. Then I will change this color and its color should be the black, and this color should be the uh, I think this color is perfect. Then I will change its color should be the yellow, yellow. And now this should be the yellow, and it should be the deeperish. It should be the gray. And now I will edit here uh, iconic logo design. So here you can see. Now I'm going to save it, and then I will go for the main design. Yes, I am saving it. Now I will export it as PNG format. Use artboard and export it. Replace it with the past. Then I will go for the new. Here it takes some time. So let's see. Yes, I got my template picture. So I will take 10 into 10 inch. So create it, and I want the iconic logo, and that will be the every iconic logo you can. Sorry, I will take here, and it should be the off. And now is the anchor is the anchor. Okay, sorry, this should be the okay. Then now I will change it, flip a bit. Now I will change its color. Its color should be the, if I take create, then how it look like. I think it's look good. Now I will decrease our null scale. Then I will select this. Sorry. I will make it. Which color will be the perfect here? Okay, it's good. And now I will go for the another, and it will be the black, and sorry, no, not the black, it's deeper ash, and it should be the this color, or no, I think this is this. Okay, and how it look like now? I think it's look perfect, and you can see here. This is also a iconic logo, and go for the next thing, and this, and I will go for the next thing. What is, I always tell you I love to paint some different things, so I will stop it. I will give a stroke here, then I always love the wings. Sorry. Yes, you can get it. I made wings, and I will color of it. So go for the gradient and make it white, and this side should be the blue. And how it look like, I think it's look pretty good. And now I'll make it, sorry, I have to decrease the stove, null in stove, and it should be the null. And now, sorry, I made a mistake here. I think I have to, sorry. Now I will make here a change. I will make it, I think this one is pretty good. Then I will decrease stove, null stove, and now how it look like, I think it's look pretty good and very nice. So make it small. I think it's pretty good. It's pretty good to see. And this too is today's design of iconic logo, and I will show you the more things on the next class, and please join with us. And till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you all. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum everyone.